We got the shrimp. We got live shrimp. We got my hook. What I do is stick it on the bottom, right there, and bring it out to the top. Like that. And that's how it should be. What's going on, y'all? It's Crucial Fishing. Down here in Panama City Beach with my little friends. They're here helping me catch the mangroves. You want to say something to him? Oh, he camera shy, y'all. He be alright. Got Tasha back there in the background. She don't act right. The mangroves ain't acting right with her, so she getting aggravated, But I'm down here, Panama City Beach, over here downtown. I'm out here on the seawalls, as y'all can see. As y'all can see, the water got real bad last night. Y'all had a tropical storm coming, so y'all see the boat around. See how it's flooded, but it was on the wall over here, but it flooded last night, so I don't think I want to play with that one. But I'm gonna show y'all about the mangroves. I'm using shrimp. Out here on the wall, just casting the shrimp out against the wall. You can throw it against the wall, or you can throw it out. But we've been throwing it against the wall and out, so they actually on both of them. Doing is just wait for my line to straighten out. Or you can hear it when I feel it nipping on it. That's the mangroves hitting. So that's what I'm waiting on. And they'll be hitting it soon. But they all lined up on this wall. The spot ain't hit it yet. So what I'm doing is pitching over here to those walls, and the mangrove snappers they all around those walls. So that's what I'm gonna do: pitch this shrimp over to the wall and wait for them to hit. They hitting so quick, it's crazy. They hungry this morning. Somebody gonna definitely hit this one. Just the waiting game now. You see my line straighten out in a minute. That's them taking off with the shrimp. He's straight now, so I think he on it. Oh, he got it. Got him. Let it go. Let it go. Got him. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Oh, that's a nice one. Yes, that's a nice one. Look at that, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, y'all.